हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपका SRM सर। आज हम इन दिस वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस ऑल द हाउ टू रिमाइंड ऑल द एलिमेंट्स and some tricks. And this periodic table consists of 7 horizontal row and 18 vertical column. Okay, so this is the periodic table of the elements. This is the first group, this is the second group, this is the third group, this is the fourth group, this is fifth group, this is the sixth group, and then so on, that is the 18th group. Or this can be said as these are the noble gases. Okay, these are the halogens, these are the chalcogens. Okay, then this is the nitrogen family, this is the carbon family, and this is the boron family. Okay, these are go under P block. Okay, so first we have to discuss about the group 1, that is S block. Here the electronic configuration is NS1 to 2, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. How to remind these elements of the group 1? Okay, now this is a logic. हायरे लीना काली रबी सहित फेरार फरी, हायरे लीना काली रबी सहित फेरार. According to this trick we will remind this. Okay, then this can be said as this is alkali metal. Okay, but hydrogen is not a alkali metal, but other are alkali metal. Okay, then these are the alkaline earth metal. These are the alkaline earth metal. How to remind this? This is the second group, that is beta, mankar, kar, sunkar, bap, roy. Okay, beta, mankar, kar, sunkar, bap, roy. According to this logic we will remind the second group. Okay, this is goes under which group? Now this is goes under S block and first group and second group. Okay, let us take an element, that is manganese. Okay, whose atomic number is 25 and the electronic configuration and the valence electron is 3d5 4s2. Here the electronic configuration, and manganese is the name. Release atomic mass, the atomic mass of manganese is, that is 54.938. Okay, these are the colors showed, that these are the alkali metals, and this color are the alkaline earth metal. Then these are the transition element, that is D block. Okay, the D block elements also called as transition element. Okay, then the electronic configuration of the D block is equal to, that is n-1 d1 to 10 ns1 to 2. That is the electronic configuration of S block is ns2 ns1 or 2. Then come to the D block element whose electronic configuration is n-1 d1 to 10 ns2 1 2 ns1 2. Okay, then these elements are also known as transition elements. Okay, so scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, fer, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Then these are the transition element. Starting from 57 to 71 of the transition element, these are the lanthanum, that is lanthanide series, and from 89 to 103 these are the actinide series. Okay, the lanthanide series electronic configuration is 4f1 to 14, 5d 0 to 1, 6s2. Okay, what are the electronic configuration of lanthanides? Now 4F 1 to 14, 5D 0 to 1, and 6S 2. Okay, then actinides electronic configuration 5A 1 to 14, 6D 0 to 1, 7S 2. Okay, these are the logic. Okay, then come to the these are the non-metals which are denoted as pin. All the non-metals are present in P block. Okay, so here this is the group 13 elements, that is boron, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium and nilonium. That is the logic beta, bengan, alu, gajar in thela. Okay, how to remind this? Na bengan, alu, gajar in thela, and this element is undergoes the actinide series. Okay, sorry, this is undergo D block element. Okay, then come to the group 16, that is carbon, silicon, germanium, stannum, plumbum, that is kahe Shivji Suno Parvati. According to this logic, we will remind the group 16 elements. Okay, then come to group 15. No, group 14. This is the group 13 element, this is the group 14 element, and here the group 13 element electronic configuration is 2s2 2p1. Okay, 3s2 3p1. Then according to this, okay, then group 16 2s2 2p2 electronic configuration, then 3s2 3p2, then according to so on. Then come to the group 15 element. Okay, that is nitrogen family. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, सब vikari. Okay, then come to the group 16, that is called chalcogens. O से tipo, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium. Okay, O से tipo. Okay, then come to the halogen, flora, chlora, blora, E ice cream, art. Okay, फ्लोरा, क्लोरा, ब्लोरा, आइसक्रीम आर्ट करते हैं. ओके, देन कम टू द लास्ट ग्रुप नोबेल गैस, दैट इज हिना, नीना और करीना के जेरॉक्स कॉपी है रीना. ओके, हीलियम, नियॉन, आर्गन, क्रिप्टन, जेनन, राडन. हिना, नीना और करीना की जेरॉक्स कॉपी है रीना. ओके, so all the non-metals are present in P block. Okay, the first of the group 13, the first two elements of the group 14, then the first 3 element of the group 15, then first 4 element of the group 16, and then last all the elements of the group 17. Okay, so all the group 17 elements are non-metal, and 5 elements of the chalcogen family is non-metal, so on. Okay, and metals, which are the metals? Okay, then these are the metals: aluminum, gallium, germanium, indium, stannum, stibbium, thallium, plumbum, bismuth, polonium. Okay, these are the metals. Okay, then अगर सब ट्रिक अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर सब्सक्राइब जल्द करना, बिकॉज हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल अभी न्यूली शुरू हुआ है. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग.